This podcast was made with an AI voice generator. Today, I take you aboard my imaginary boat. Destination, St. Lo Street. At number 44, you can see a door over 5 meters high made of stone blocks. In your back, there is the courthouse or the law court, former Parliament of Normandy. This door is all that remains of the first presidency of the Norman Parliament. Indeed, a few months after the death of Louis XIV, in 1717, Nicolas Camus de Poincaré, first president, decided to have a mansion built, with main building, courtyard and garden. For the unusual fact, there was even an aerial gallery that allowed you to go from the house to the Parliament without crossing the street. Convenient not to mingle with the crowd. During the French Revolution, the City Hall, in the narrow Big Clock Street, moved into its walls, from 1791 to 1800. From 1800, the City Hall moved into a former monk's dormitory located next to the Saint-Douin Abbey. Being victim of the Second World War, the former private mansion of Nicolas Camus de Poincaré was set on fire in August 1944. After the war, there remained important ruins, which unfortunately were razed in the 1950s, leaving only this door. I invite you to cross this door to access the Espace du Palais Square and to continue exploring the city.